Hey y'all, it's Mary and welcome to Mask Monday. I'm going to do this mask. I will get started and then I will tell you about this mask. Let me show it to you like that. And there is a 3-step, it says. So this is a little bit different. This is a chin mask. Okay, maybe this. And these you take off of the chin mask and put under your eyes. Not very big for under eye mask, but I'll explain to you in a minute. I'll read you about it. Got a few things to talk about. That's very, very small, but if they'll help, it's like a fabric on the outside, so it's not wet on the outside, and then it has this lining. I have done similar masks to this before, and you want to make sure you put it on the proper way, which I can't remember what that is. I think it's this way. You see there is a bit of maybe a lip line, if you want to call it. It goes on your chin. Ooh, it's so cold. And then this goes over your ear. Camille is right below me. Ooh, and this goes over your ear, and then I'll read it to you about it, and I'll explain what I was up to here, okay? Okay. So I've had this mask for a while, so I thought I better use it. I believe I got this. It's really pulling on my ears funny. So anyway, Stylevana. I think I got these from Stylevana, I think. But okay, so this is fun. It's supposed to, it's supposed to help with this area. Okay, so what I started off with is a 3-step. It has a serum in here, and I pretty much got most of it out, but it's just a clear serum. You probably can't even see that. And that was to go on my cheeks and on my chin. So I did that ahead of time to try to speed it up a little bit. It says anti-cellulite care project, but I think it's because we don't really have cellulite on our face. I think this is just, language barrier. It does say containing cell active from Switzerland. It is a Korean mask made in Korea. And okay, so the 3 steps. So that V-Line Slim Firming Serum, gently massage the serum on your cheek and chin, anti-wrinkle and lifting. And then it says step 2 then is this here. See how it's pulling on my ear? And then step 3 are these little eye masks, which were laid on here. It was the place you'd punch out to put over your ear. So they're telling you might as well use it and put it on your eyes. So it is Asimo V-Line Slim Mask Pack. So I thought it was just something, different. I've had it for a while. I've been trying to go through my masks because it's easy to shove masks back and have them expire. So I have some friend mail. Oh, dropped my phone case, no big deal. I have some friend mail here, and I did cut the top open. This is from Jo. Jo is Just Jo, and she has a channel, and she's a sweetheart, and she has some health issues, so she doesn't always film, but you'll like her. She does get ready with me's and things like that. I'll put her below. So she told me she was sending me something, and it is a little chubby envelope. So I did cut it open. Let me open it up and let's see what's in there. It has a beautiful stamp on it that was not canceled. Isn't that weird how that goes? Because it's a 2-ounce stamp, it says, because what she put in there, is a little bit thicker than a card. So let's see. There's a nice card. Oh, look at the card, y'all. How pretty. And it says, "Hello, sweet Mary Catherine. Just wanted to send a small..." Well, y'all, it's personal, so I'm not reading it out loud. I didn't ask permission to do that. So she sent me a gift, and she says hugs from Tennessee. So in the envelope, she sent some cute little stickers. Oh, these are so funny. They're all little spooky stickers. There's a skull. This one says spooky juice. This is a little cat skull with a candle. This is a little stuffed animal that's been beat up. There might be a name to that. I don't know. You know, like a cartoon character. And this one too, a cat. Pretty colors. I love those colors. And she sent me one of these things that you put over a mask. And she says that, you know, you can just use it and then you rinse it off when you're done. I do have a couple of these and they are wonderful. I never put them on, but I should when I do a mask. But for this, it wouldn't be so, but you put it on like this and it, you know, this is why, see, maybe it's my face is big or whatever, but it bothers my ears. That's why I don't always use them, but sometimes I will. If the mask is slipping really bad, I will put it on. So, but this is really nice. This is, it's molded to the face. Thank you, Joe. That's so sweet of you to send me something. You didn't have to do that, but I like it. I will use it. Maybe if I had a full mask, I'd put it on. I will use it next week. I'll put it in with my things, and I'll use it through the week when I'm not on camera too. So thank you so much, Joe. I really appreciate that. You didn't have to do that, hon. But please go see Joe. She was saying in the card a little bit that I can share is that she's really enjoyed meeting all of our community, which we, you know, anybody that's in this community says the same thing. We're all very, very blessed and feel very, very blessed to be here. So she's just reiterating that, and I agree with her very much. I also want to tell y'all again about my collab that I'm in, the Dollar Train Fall into Halloween collab. It is going on until next Sunday, October 15th. So you still have plenty of time to get involved in that. There are 12 channels. Now here is a little bit of a problem for some of you. Please take a minute. If you want to be involved in that collab and you watched everybody's videos, please make sure and go back that you are and see that you're subscribed, because some of us, you know, we went up a few when the collab started and then we dropped a few subscribers. So you may think you're subscribed, and you have to be subscribed to win. So if you're not subscribed, you will, and your name comes up, you'll be, you know, we'll choose another name. So please make sure you're subscribed to all 12 channels. And there's no secret necessarily to how that works, but YouTube doesn't like to talk about these things. So what I've heard over the few years that I've been on is that when you go to a new channel, and what you have to do is you have to watch their video. So you have to watch at least 4 minutes of their video before you click the subscribe button. You can't just go, you know, Mary Catherine Loves Cats, subscribe, get out and go to the next channel and subscribe like that, and then come back and then enter the giveaways, because then you might not be subscribed anymore. So if you're new here, if you're old here, if you've been around a while, if you're involved in that collab and you want to be able to win something from that collab, then please make sure you're subscribed to all 12 channels, which is Miss Jackie Russell, Tracy and Chloe Unboxing, Beauty and More, Reviews with Sue, Faye Blatchard, Laura Wooten Reviews, Favorites with Laura, Katie's Corner of the World, Single Mom Review, which is Sherry, Unboxing with Arlene, Lori's Life, and Simply Southern Belle, which is Brandy, and then me. So make sure you're subscribed to all of us. Even if you've been subscribed to me forever, just double check and make sure you still are, okay? And if you have any trouble, I know it's a lot. Well, that's why we gave you 2 weeks to see everybody, because there are 12 channels and you need to be subscribed to all 12 to win. So hopefully the 2 weeks gave you enough time to watch everybody. So enter the giveaways. You can only win one, but you can win one. So try it, you know, go for it. And I also want to tell y'all, I had shown you on the weekend that I got some things from my church rummage sale. It was a fundraiser, and I got this Pyrex bowl. And I was talking about Pyrex bowls. Okay, Blue. And this one it was there all day. And so I'm like, well, heck, I'll take it. I didn't want to take things, you know, until a lot of people had a lot of pics of things, but I got some nice things. What are you doing, Blue? Try not to break bowls. Thank you. I appreciate that. But, you know, it's with that ring light, it's all scratched up. This is not perfect condition. There's no chips, so to me it's in good. To me it's in great condition. I love it. It's a wonderful mixing bowl. Pyrex is the best, and you know this is a vintage stuff. And I told you I didn't know much. I knew a little bit about it, but I didn't know what the whole set consisted of. A complete set that's in excellent condition, mint condition they may call it. I've seen for $425 is the mostly what I see. $425 for 4 bowls. See, I also wasn't sure if it was 4 bowls or 5 bowls, so I looked it up. So I have 3 of the bowls now. I have 3. Now, the one that I'm missing is the smallest bowl, and it's blue. So I have the red one, and, you know, they're all white on the inside. You know, but my set is scratched up. And I actually have 2 of these. This one, I would say, is in really excellent condition. It's got a couple marks here. Some like maybe a mixing stick, you know, the metal hits and you can't get that off of there. But I love that one. I have another one that's very worn. A friend gave it to me, and it's very worn. So it's not in really good condition. And then I have the largest one, which is the yellow one. And this one I got for like $22 a few years back. This green one, I've had it forever. So I don't know how much I paid for it. I think I've had it since I've had an apartment when I first moved out at 22, and I'm almost 62. So it's old. It's older than that because they're vintage, you know. But the yellow one, I saw on TV somebody make popcorn in a bowl, and you put your little oil in there, you put your kernels in there, and then you put this in the microwave, and you put a plate on top, and then the air would, you know, the plate would move a little bit and the air would pop out. I'm telling y'all, I did that with my yellow bowl, and it shattered like little. Do y'all remember? If you're older, you might. There's this little fine stuff that was snow on the Christmas villages when we were kids. It was glass. It was little glass. It's really older than me, but you know, you'd see it sometimes at your grandma's house. It really was glass. That's what this sharded into. Absolutely, there was nothing you could tell it was a bowl at all. It was all, I thought I'd have to throw out the microwave. It took me forever to clean it. And when I opened the microwave, it all came spilling out. It was a horrible mess. So I was very fortunate to find another one, and it was only $22 because it wasn't with the set, you know. So, but that one, that yellow one I had with the green one for many, many, many years. So that is my Pyrex, and I love it, and they're wonderful for baking and cooking and whatever else you do. And maybe I'll find the blue one someday. So I just want to share that with y'all, and I hope that you have a great day, and I hope you're doing something to take care of yourself. And go and see that collab. It's just a lot of fun, y'all. I know a lot of you have already seen it, but you know, we want y'all to enter the giveaways. So, and this is, I'm going to leave it on. It feels really good. If it'll, I don't think it will, but you know, if it would help with that. And I'll leave these on for a little bit longer. So y'all, thanks for coming by. I know there's a lot of Mask Monday people to see. Follow the hashtags and you'll find lots of them. And y'all, thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate y'all. And count your blessings and do something good for yourself today. Bye-bye, y'all.